Why is Adam Habib running away from addressing the students?
Betogende studente aan die Universiteit van die Witwatersrand is woedend omdat Prof Adam Habib, die fisiekanselier van die universiteit, nie Dinsdag om 12:00 hulle memorandum met eise ontvang nie. Die studente sê hulle weier om dit aan die studente-dekaan te oorhandig, omdat sy net vir 3 maande op die universiteit werk en glo nie die mandaat het om aan hulle eise aandag te skenk.
The list of demands are not direct to her office, but rather they direct to the Vice Chancellor's office, and thus he should be the one receiving them.
The university told us that he isn't coming. Habib is in other meetings. They're sending the Dean of Students again.
Essentially what we've noted is our Vice Chancellor keeps communicating with us via the media and on TV. We woke up this morning and we found him on TV again. We went to bed last night where he was on radio. So essentially we understand that the Vice Chancellor does not want to have a meeting with us, but we're saying that if he does not meet with us, then we will effectively render the university ungovernable for the rest of this month.
Studente gaan vandag voort met vergaderings om ander groepe te mobiliseer om deel te vorm van die 4 massvol betogings hier op die Wits kampus.